Hello guys, today in this video we are going to talk about how to cancel GOdor deodorant supplement subscription. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you need to visit on the official website, that is trygodor.com. And once you are on the official website, there is a option. The option is what you have to select. You need to select manage subscription at the very top side. Okay, and once you click on manage your subscription, it will pop up this kind of option. In this box you need to enter your email ID, which is your registered email ID. Once you enter your registered email ID, they will send you a code. You need to enter the code. Okay, you need to check your email. Okay, and once you enter your code, it will log in on this screen, and on this screen you will see all your subscription status and your subscription old seal, and there are lots of information is available. You just need to simply select subscription and you will see your active subscription, and you can cancel your subscription, you can pause your subscription by using this way. Okay, if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.